secrets in the dark. Neon lights paint tales with every spark. Footsteps echo softly on the street. In this quiet dream, our worlds repeat. Beneath the stars we find our silent tune. The moonlight dances shadows in the room. Every breath a melody we share, lost in reverie, floating in the air. Through the echoes in the night, we find solace in the light. Silent rhythms guide our way. In this twilight we will stay. The hum of life, a background symphony. We move in sync, our hearts in harmony. Your smile, a beacon in the quiet. In this moment, everything is right. Beneath the stars we find our silent tune. The moonlight dances shadows in the room. Every breath a melody we share, lost in reverie, floating in the air. Through the echoes in the night, we find solace in the light. Silent rhythms guide our way. In this twilight we will stay. The hum of life, a background symphony. We move in sync, our hearts in harmony. Your smile, a beacon in the quiet. In this moment, everything is right. Time stands still, the city fades away. In your eyes, the dawn of a new day. Hand in hand, we drift through endless dreams, caught in waves of gentle moonlit streams. Through the echoes in the night, we find solace in the light. Silent rhythms guide our way. In this twilight we will stay. The hum of life, a background symphony. We move in sync, our hearts in harmony. Your smile, a beacon in the quiet. In this moment, everything is right. The city whispers secrets in the dark. Neon lights paint tales with every spark. Footsteps echo softly on the street. In this quiet dream, our worlds repeat. Beneath the stars we find our silent tune. The moonlight dances shadows in the room. Every breath a melody we share, lost in reverie, floating in the air. Through the echoes in the night, we find solace in the light. Silent rhythms guide our way. In this twilight we will stay. The hum of life, a background symphony. We move in sync, our hearts in harmony. Your smile, a beacon in the quiet. In this moment, everything is right. still, the city fades away. In your eyes, the dawn of a new day. Hand in hand, we drift through endless dreams, caught in waves of gentle moonlit streams. Through the echoes in the night, we find solace in the light. Silent rhythms guide our way. In this twilight we will stay. Through the echoes in the night, we find solace in the light. Silent rhythms guide our way. In this twilight we will stay. The hum of life, a background symphony. We move in sync, our hearts in harmony. Your smile, a beacon in the quiet. In this moment, everything is right. Time stands still, the city fades away. In your eyes, the dawn of a new day. Hand in hand, we drift through endless dreams, caught in waves of gentle moonlit streams. Through the echoes in the night, we find. Whispers of love in soft hues portrayed. Footsteps on cobblestones, gentle and slow. In the night's tender glow, we let our hearts show. Down memory lane, where dreams never pale. With every soft breeze spins a romantic tale. Through the mist of the night, under stars that we claim, we walk gently down this moonlit memory lane. Golden streetlights flicker in quiet charm. The world seems asleep, wrapped in nighttime's arm. We dance to the rhythm of hearts in sync. In the symphony of silence, we find our link. Down memory lane, where dreams never pale. With every soft breeze spins a romantic tale. Through the mist of the night, under stars that we claim, we walk gently down this moonlit memory lane. In the still of the night, where moments stand still, with hands intertwined, we climb love's hill. Echoes of laughter, sweet as wine. In the fabric of time, your heart beats with mine. As stars fade away and dawn starts to peak, the night whisper secrets we promise to keep. In the final hush before the new day, we cherish the memories, come what may. Underneath the starlit sky so gold, with whispered secrets that we never told, we dance to beats with a subtle glow. In moonlight's arms, we take it slow. Gentle breezes kiss the night. In this quiet, everything feels right. A saxophone serenade so sweet. With every note, our hearts discreet. Moonlit nights, we sway so low. In the rhythm where only we can go. Beneath the stars, we find our way. In this twilight love's ballet. Time stands still, the world's on mute. Just our laughter absolute, a tapestry of night and sound. In our silence, love's profound. Every glance a silent vow. In this moment, here and now, the world falls away, just you and me. In our moonlit rhapsody. Soft whispers blend with midnight breeze. Promises carried through the trees. A symphony just out of sight. In the hush of the velvet night. Moonlit nights, we sway so low. In the rhythm where only we can go. Beneath the stars, we find our way. In this twilight love's ballet. Time stands still, the world's on mute. Just our laughter absolute, a tapestry of night and sound. In our silence, love's profound. Every glance a silent vow. In this moment, here and now, the world falls away, just you and me. In our moonlit rhapsody. Soft whispers blend with midnight breeze. Promises carried through the trees. A symphony just out of sight. In the hush of the velvet night.
Underneath the starlit sky so bold, whispered secrets that we never told. We dance to beats with a subtle glow. In moonlight tones, we take it slow. Gentle breezes kiss the night. In this quiet, everything feels right. A saxophone serenade so sweet. With Time stands still, the world's on mute. Just our laughter, absolute. A tapestry of night and sound. In our silence lost, profound. Every glance, a silent vow. In this moment, here and now, the world falls away. Just you and me in our moonlit rhapsody. Soft whispers blend with midnight breeze. Promises carry through the trees. A symphony just out of sight. In the hush of the velvet night.